Welcome to Machinery Magazine, where precision engineering transforms colossal crankshafts and record-breaking marine engines into masterpieces of industrial. Few engineering achievements demonstrate human determination more impressively than the construction of the Osmangazi Bridge, one of the world's longest suspension bridges. Stretching across Turkey's Izmit Bay, this remarkable structure dramatically shortens travel times while serving as a critical transportation link between Istanbul and western regions of the country. The bridge is also a symbol of modern engineering, combining innovative design, advanced construction techniques, and international collaboration. Building a suspension bridge of this magnitude begins long before any steel rises above the water. Engineers first conduct extensive geological and environmental surveys to understand the seabed, water currents, wind conditions, and seismic activity. Since Turkey is located in a region with significant earthquake risks, the foundation design must meet some of the highest safety standards in the world. Massive caissons and reinforced concrete foundations are carefully installed to support the bridge towers. These foundations must remain perfectly stable despite powerful ocean currents and enormous structural loads. Once completed, giant steel towers are assembled piece by piece using heavy lift cranes capable of positioning components weighing hundreds of tons with remarkable precision. The next stage involves installing the main suspension cables, often considered one of the most fascinating parts of bridge construction. Instead of lifting a completed cable into place, engineers create the cables by spinning thousands of high-strength steel wires across the span. Each individual wire contributes to a cable capable of supporting tens of thousands of tons. Precision during this phase is essential because even small measurement errors could affect the bridge's overall geometry. After the main cables are completed, vertical suspender cables are attached at carefully calculated intervals. These suspenders will eventually support the enormous steel deck sections that form the roadway. Each deck segment is fabricated in specialized factories, transported by sea on massive barges, and then lifted hundreds of feet into the air using strand jacks and synchronized lifting systems. Every lift requires calm weather, detailed planning, and continuous communication between engineers, crane operators, marine crews, and safety personnel. Strong winds or rough seas can delay operations, emphasizing how closely large infrastructure projects depend on natural conditions. One of the most technically demanding phases of the Osmangazi Bridge project is the installation of its massive steel deck sections. These enormous components, each weighing hundreds of tons, are manufactured with exceptional precision before being transported across the water aboard specially designed barges. Upon arrival beneath the bridge span, engineers carefully position each segment using tugboats, GPS guidance systems, and laser alignment equipment. Hydraulic strand jacks then lift the deck slowly into its final position. Every movement is monitored continuously to ensure the section remains perfectly balanced throughout the operation. Once suspended near its final elevation, crews begin the delicate task of connecting the new segment to the previously installed deck. Temporary supports, high-strength bolts, and specialized welding techniques secure each connection, while engineers verify every measurement against the original design. Weather conditions play a major role throughout the installation process. Wind speed, wave height, and visibility are constantly monitored because even moderate environmental changes can influence the stability of heavy lifting operations. Safety teams remain on standby throughout every lift, ensuring strict compliance with international construction standards. As additional deck sections are installed, the bridge gradually extends toward the center span from both directions. This balanced construction sequence helps distribute structural forces evenly while maintaining the stability of the suspension system. Modern digital monitoring systems record cable tension, tower movement, deck elevation, and structural behavior in real time. These technologies allow engineers to make immediate adjustments whenever necessary, improving both construction accuracy and long-term reliability. The successful installation of every deck segment represents the combined expertise of structural engineers, marine specialists, heavy lift operators, surveyors, welders, and safety professionals. Their coordinated efforts transform thousands of individual steel components into one of the world's most impressive suspension bridges. As the deck sections are connected, engineers continuously monitor alignment using GPS technology, laser surveying equipment, and computer modeling. The completed deck must maintain exact tolerances despite changes in temperature, wind loads, and construction sequences. Finally, paving, expansion joints, lighting systems, drainage, traffic monitoring equipment, and protective coatings are installed before extensive load testing begins. Thousands of tons of test vehicles may be positioned across the bridge to verify structural performance before public opening. The Osmangazi Bridge stands not only as an impressive transportation corridor, but also as a lasting example of what engineers, skilled workers, and advanced technology can accomplish when working together toward a common goal.
With the forged Forged blanks prepared. Forged blanks prepared. The next step is precision gear manufacturing. In this segment, we observe the production of a worm wheel through.
Thank you for watching Machinery Magazine. If you enjoyed this journey through world-class engineering, remember to like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible industrial innovation.